quick video of first day of demo, although I'd say it's more so deconstruction than demolition. So I've been pretty careful about taking things out gently because I'm not going to be, hopefully not going to be doing all of the paneling and stuff again. I'm trying to keep that intact and go over the existing floor, that sort of thing. So I don't want to hurt it when I don't have to. So lots of undoing of screws, and our drill battery is not working, so that's been fun. But definitely made some headway, and especially with not being sure about all the electrical and gas and water stuff yet. So I did what I could do without getting into that mess, and we'll work on that in hopefully tomorrow. It should be a little bit warmer tomorrow too. So keep posted.